We're here with some very special and adorable guests. We've got these 4 kittens here. Sandy's brought them in this morning for Preston's Pets. And we took over since Dick has the day off. But anyhow, let's talk about these kittens that we've got here. How old are they?
Well, these kittens are almost 9 weeks old. They were from a feral cat, a feral mother cat. Had them, I think she was a very young cat, and she just abandoned them. Sometimes those real young feral cats, they just don't know what to do with them, and they abandoned them. So we got them, and we put them into a foster home where they were hand-fed, and so she's been bottle feeding them and taking care of them since they were 3 weeks old.
They're so sweet.
Aren't they sweet?
Yes.
Well, if someone wants some information on these kittens or would like to adopt one, what do they do?
They can go to our website and get an application. They can fill out and send in, or they can call us, and I can email. I can email
so we've got
an application to them.
Ava, Misty, Moby, and Poe, huh?
Yes. I think that one's Moby.
And the email is info@callawayhumane.org. Yep. You can also call 826-5656. And what's great about this is this actually, you know, a couple of our pets have gotten homes.
They have, yep.
We just had Larry.
Yeah. Larry, he got adopted last weekend. He's been adopted, and so did Happy, the beagle, got adopted
And
too.
Larry was the
Chinese crested.
Yeah,
he got adopted.
Oh, good.
You are
Yep, so we have these kittens, and then we have 2 more litters, so we have 8 more kittens. And we're going to be doing an adoption event at Petco in Jeff City. This weekend with all of the kittens. It's going to be just kitty day.
Yeah. Just kitty day.
So you can get the kittens even over at Jeff City Petco Saturday.
Okay.
All right. Well, these have been great guests. This one's finally being good. You are sweet. So as we said, there's the information. It's on your screen.
Looking for a good home, and they're just so sweet. So if you have a good home and need a little furry friend, they're perfect.
All right. Well, thank you for coming in.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us.